tired, heavy legs? Poor blood flow could be the reason, and fixing it can be as simple as changing what's on your plate. Today, we'll reveal 5 easy, science-backed recipes to boost leg circulation right from your kitchen. So stick around if you want to walk stronger, feel lighter, and protect your veins, all while enjoying some delicious food. Let's begin with why this really matters. Let's break it down. Blood circulation in your legs works against gravity. Your arteries deliver oxygen-rich blood down, and your veins push it back up toward your heart. When circulation slows, it can cause swelling, varicose veins, cramping, and even skin discoloration. If left unchecked, it can lead to more serious issues like blood clots or chronic venous insufficiency. But here's the empowering part. Improving circulation doesn't always require medication. Science shows that certain foods can significantly enhance vascular health, strengthen vein walls, and reduce inflammation. Let's dive into our first powerful, delicious remedy. Recipe 1. Beetroot and ginger smoothie. Beets are rich in dietary nitrates, which the body converts to nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels. This improves circulation, lowers blood pressure, and increases oxygen delivery. Ingredients: 1 small raw beetroot, peeled and chopped or steamed. 1 inch fresh ginger. 1 apple or banana. Juice of half a lemon. 1 cup water or coconut water. Instructions: add all ingredients to a blender. Blend until smooth, about 30 to 60 seconds. Enjoy immediately. The ginger helps reduce inflammation, and the citrus enhances iron absorption from the beetroot, an extra boost for blood health. Bonus tip: want an even greater boost? Add a pinch of cayenne or a few spinach leaves for added circulation support. Now, let's move to a quick, savory option. Recipe 2. Garlic and olive oil toast. Garlic is an age-old remedy for the heart. Modern studies show its active compound allicin may help lower blood pressure and prevent arterial plaque buildup. Combined with antioxidant-rich extra virgin olive oil, this is a powerful vascular tonic. Ingredients: 1 slice whole grain or gluten-free bread. 1 clove of raw garlic. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. Instructions: toast the bread, then immediately rub it with the raw garlic clove to infuse it with flavor and medicinal properties. Drizzle generously with olive oil. Why it works: garlic helps expand blood vessels and improve circulation, while whole grains offer fiber that helps regulate cholesterol, key for blood flow. Viewer check-in. Are you enjoying these recipes? Drop a yes in the comments and tell us which one you're most excited to try. Now for a cozy, calming drink that's perfect at night. Recipe 3. Turmeric golden milk. Turmeric's active ingredient, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory that supports healthy endothelial function, the lining of blood vessels. Add black pepper and curcumin's bioavailability jumps up by 2,000%. Ingredients: 1 cup milk or unsweetened plant-based milk. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. A pinch of black pepper. Half a teaspoon honey or maple syrup, optional. Instructions: heat the milk gently. Stir in turmeric and black pepper. Simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Sweeten if desired. Enjoy this in the evening to reduce inflammation overnight and support recovery. This is especially helpful after a long day on your feet. Interlude: circulation boosting habits. Let's take a moment to talk about 4 daily habits that boost blood flow. 1. Hydrate. Your blood is 90% water. Even mild dehydration makes your blood thicker and harder to circulate. 2. Move often. Sitting too long? Set an hourly timer to stand, stretch, or walk for 2 minutes. 3. Elevate your legs. Lying down and lifting your legs above heart level for 10 to 15 minutes improves venous return. 4. Wear compression socks. These apply gentle pressure to your legs, helping veins move blood back to your heart. All right, ready for something fresh and vibrant? Recipe 4. Spinach and citrus salad. Leafy greens like spinach are full of magnesium and nitrates. Citrus fruits like oranges provide vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis, a building block for vein and artery walls. Ingredients: 2 cups baby spinach, 1 peeled orange or grapefruit, 1 tablespoon pumpkin or sunflower seeds, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Instructions: toss everything together in a bowl. Eat fresh. Bonus add-on: top with avocado slices or pomegranate seeds for healthy fats and extra antioxidants. Pro tip: magnesium helps prevent blood vessel constriction. Most adults are low in it. Leafy greens are a delicious fix. Now, let's finish strong with a warm, hearty option. Recipe 5. Lentil and cayenne soup. Lentils are rich in fiber, protein, and iron, supporting healthy blood. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which can dilate blood vessels and improve flow. Ingredients: half a cup red lentils, 1 small carrot, chopped, 1 cup vegetable broth or water, pinch of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Instructions: sauté carrots in olive oil for 3 minutes. Add lentils, broth, and cayenne. Simmer until lentils are soft, about 15 minutes. Season as needed. Optional add-in: a dash of lemon juice at the end enhances flavor and helps your body absorb iron. Now, before we wrap up, here are a few final lifestyle tweaks to amplify the benefits of these recipes. Do calf raises while brushing your teeth. Simple, effective, and quick. Avoid sitting with your legs crossed for long periods. Massage your legs with upward strokes toward the heart to encourage lymphatic flow. Try a short yoga pose like legs up the wall for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Thanks for joining us today on Health Pulse Haven. We covered 5 powerful, easy recipes that improve leg circulation and support your whole body wellness. Which one will you try first? Drop your favorite in the comments and let us know if you'd like a printable recipe sheet. We might just make one for you. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Check out our circulation playlist next. Your legs will thank you.